We started our day early with a quick fuel stop before we rolled out. The city was still quiet, and at sunrise, it just made you want to keep riding. The plan was simple: hit the road, head to Hogenakkal, and make a day of it. Once we got out of the city, everything opened up. The air got cooler, the sky turned this perfect blue, and the roads just kept getting better. No music, no chatter, just the sound of the engine and the road ahead. A few kilometers later, the twisties started showing up. You know that stretch where every corner feels just right? This was one of those. A valley on one side, hills in the distance. It's the kind of ride that just resets your head. We finally made it to Hogenakkal. The first thing that hits you is the sound. Loud, constant, almost like the place never stops moving. And somehow, it all fits. The boats spinning in the river and people shouting over each other. It's chaotic, but in the best way possible. On the way back, the roads got busier again. But that's fine. The good part had already happened. Just one of those rides you don't plan too much, but end up remembering anyways.